pulling myself off. I love a good apple turnover. Oh, how's your trip to Scotland? Yeah, we just took loads of pictures of the bikes. Birds aren't real. Hello, I'd like to cycle and annoy people on the road, but I want to be an extra layer of knobhead. Oh, that was a loud one. Hello. Hello. Hello, Joe. There's going to be a person that's never watched my channel before, and that's going to be the first thing they're going to see. And they're going to be like, I'm not watching this shit. And I completely understand that. Old boy with a Pro Drive WRX. Fair play, mate. Fair play for not going, I'm going to buy a BYD Seal. Joe's just made a seal noise for everyone not unable to hear him. Hello, we are still in Scotland, as you can probably tell. And we stopped here before the chocolates of Glen Shiel. Every time we head to Bealach na bar, it pisses it down. Oh look, an old British car that's got its bonnet up. That's really odd. 30 miles range. I need to fill up before we go up. The Bealach na bar. Eilean Donan Castle this way. We were going to head up to do that Top Gear Road, which is the something of the something, which I'll put on screen. Didn't leave the campsite till late, and that trip itself is about a 9-hour round trip from where we currently are, so probably gonna not do that one today. There's been a lot of not speeding so far, only a little bit of rain, although it looks like we're going to ride into that. But it's alright, Joe's put his trousers on, his waterproof over trousers, which means that it's not going to rain, because it never does when he puts those trousers on. I honestly hate these new cars. Citroen C5 Aircross. Like, no, stop trying Citroen. Go back to making cool old cars, not weird plug-in hybrid MPVs. Do you know what song's in my head, and I could ruin your day by putting it in your head as well? Baby shark do 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 do, baby shark do 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 do, baby shark do 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 do, baby shark. So you got an M Sport scooter, but it's a Honda. Yeah, it's an XADV, isn't it? Yeah, he's got rim stickers on it. Must be cool. Oh yeah, pump 2 please. Love Lorraine. We've done so well without Lorraine, and now she makes an appearance. Here is Eilean Donan Castle in the rain, as per usual. The best photo I got of my bike and Eilean Donan Castle was in that car park there. Like, I just buzzed over there because I wanted a picture like that. That looks moody AF. Yeah, I just parked there and took a photo facing the castle, and everyone was like, oh my god, where did you get that photo? And I was like, well, I parked on a bridge instead of headbutting it for once. Go. Woo! Sorry, I had to clear some water off my visor. Roadworks ahead. I sure hope it does. You don't have to brake that much, Suzuki. It's not that scary. Ah, corner! Oh my god! Ah! This is so much prettier when it's not pissing it down. Hello! She's a pretty view. Are you going to let us pass? Please let us pass, please let us pass. Yes! Thanks, babe! I think if I brought the stager up this, I might struggle. I have to fill up at the bottom, and then fill up at the top, and then fill up at the bottom again. Oh, look at that view, mate. Oh, pulling myself off. Actually, it could just go up one more. Pop, 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 pop. Royal Mail has been delivered. Yay! That's some cleaning products from Moto Clean, which I'm quite looking forward to testicling. Oh, the noise of the bike against the stone. Hello, hello, Apollo, that's cool. Old GS. Africa Twin. Surprised he had the power to get up the bloke in the bar. You lot won't be able to hear what Joe's saying in response to stuff like that. But basically, Joe used to own an Africa Twin, if you don't already know. And he loves the Africa Twin. I enjoy saying that Africa Twins are really slow. And because Joe's so in love with the Africa Twin still, he gets really angry by it. It's like when I tell Joe that I don't like Fords because they're quite plasticky, and he goes on a 3-day rant about how they're amazing cars. I'm like, yeah, but they're just Fords, mate, they're boring. It's really funny. And it doesn't matter what Joe says now, because none of you can hear him. So what Joe's currently saying is Fords are shit, and Africa Twins are underpowered. Aren't you, Joe? He just said yes, daddy, for everyone listening. If you own a GS, that's where you'll fall over. Did you just stole it? Can't believe you're such a rookie, Joe. You watch, I'll stall it and drop the bike now. This is actually really nicely resurfaced. Oh, it's rather pretty. Hello. Ooh, M1000 XR. I might go and sling the Super Duke between those two cars and take a photo facing that way. Sling that there. It is rather pretty. It is also rather cold. There is Applecross, people. Do you know what I fancy now? Bit of apple turnover. I love a good apple turnover. Or maybe even apple crumble if I'm feeling a little bit adventurous. But it needs to have custard on it. And it has to be cold custard. I don't care what anyone says. Yeah, cold custard, because hot custard is minging. Joe's obviously still not on comms. So Joe has just said, yeah, anyone that eats hot custard is a cretin. Definitely didn't tell me that I was wrong. Oh. God, this bike sounds sensual. Whoever came up here and surfaced this road, resurfaced this road, should I say, well done. Yeah, I take my hat off. I'll have to put my hat on first to take it off to you, but I take my hat off to you. You've done a very nice job. The edges are a little bit messy, but it's alright, I'll let you off. The main surface is exactly how it should be. I'm going to have to turn my bike off and leave it in gear, because otherwise it'll roll off its side stand and pull a Ducati. Oh, how's your trip to Scotland? Yeah, we just took loads of pictures of the bikes. It's quite a nice view. Super G looks sick. I've done this before, and I get like halfway through editing and then suddenly there's a picture of my cock. It's really quite unappealing to see that in 4K. I should get some nice amount of poppage down here. Oh my god, you can actually see it. Can't see if there's any cars coming. What a view, mate. Oh, Netherlands. Thank Netherlands. Oh, childish. It's a GR Supra as well. Oh, he's ruined it because he's got F1 brake light. What a knob. Oh, we're entering Craig. He better be very thankful that I'm entering him. I love these microphones. I've not had my cameras on for ages because that road was really boring. I just started the recording, the camera comes straight on and the microphone connects to it straight away. And I haven't obviously turned the microphones on and off, they've just been running in the background on standby, I guess. We didn't bother going all the way up to Harlow. So what we've decided to do is, when we were at that coffee stop the other day, there's a bloke, one of the blokes that works there, said we weren't allowed to tell anyone anything, were we? He said, don't tell anyone, this is my favourite road up near Scotland. I'm like, right, okay. He said there's a road that runs to the right-hand side of Fort Augustus. Most people take the road to the left of Fort Augustus and all the way up to Inverness. But instead of that, take the one on the right-hand side. It's a tiny little road. And he said it's really good, and it's one of his faves. If there was a real Loch Ness monster, it's quite a big loch. Whether you're going to actually ever see it, it could have a big monster in it. I'm sure they did a thing years ago where they, like, is it DEXA scan? I don't know. You know, like the LiDAR scan, basically. Birds aren't real. I do quite like that whole, that theory that birds aren't real. Like, they're just government drones. Predominantly the pigeons. Even if not all of them are the government drones, it wouldn't surprise me if, like, some of them were. Because they're quite easy to mimic, because they're just dumb birds. So they don't really need to be that intellectual to actually be a good drone. Keir Starmer telling you to get digital ID through a pigeon. Nearly got them all. Love talk. There's a lot of bikers here. Or are they just weirdos with matching jackets? Oh, I hate it when people have matching jackets. Joe, what jacket are you wearing? Is it the Halvarssons Racken jacket by any chance? So what is this road? This is the A82, so it's not the same road then. Maybe this joins on to the one that goes around the side of Fort Augustus or whatever it is. This is a very good bit of road. I think this is just still the A82 though, yeah it is. Anyone know where I can get a Peugeot 2008? I just really want to see a Peugeot 2008 somewhere. Preferably two different colours of them. Maybe two different, slight different model years as well. Ideally, just doing 15 mile an hour underneath the speed limit at all times. I'm going to take one of them, as the one behind me just panicked. I must brake really hard and slam my car into the curb. Oh, we've gone into a national, back up to towering heights of 42 miles an hour. Careful mate, there's a corner there. Careful! I mean, I could make jokes about you going around corners as well, but I'm not going to. You've made a joke every time we've gone over a bridge, so I'm allowed to make a few corner jokes. Ready, go! Now Joe, be careful, there are grass verges around here. So was that the road that he said? Because we're now in Fort Augustus. It must have been, unless we went round the wrong side. I still can't get over how good Mull was yesterday. That was such a good day. Whoa! Traffic lights, traffic lights, traffic lights. Stop, stop, stop. What a stupid place to put traffic lights. Is it worth putting your hazards on? My hazards are really weird. Look how they seem to flash really slow. That's really odd. Going then. Recumbent cycle. Hello, I'd like to cycle and annoy people on the road, but I want to be an extra layer of knobhead. Oh, sir, we have got just the right bike for you. Is it a normal bike? Do I just sit on top of it like normal? No, 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 not at all, sir. No, not at all. You lay down. Oh, right, perfect. That looks really annoying. It is, sir. That's why it's £3,000 for a normal bike. Ready, set, go. loud one. Oh, the noise of this bike is utterly orgasmic. Oh, what a bike! I've done like 5 miles and I've used about 20 miles of range. I wonder why. I have no idea whether my cameras are going to die, so I'm going to say goodbye. Thanks for watching and all that shebangy bang. There might be another video. We've still got to go to the Cairngorms tomorrow with Rich and potentially Ian as well. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next week.